Since the dawn of the computer age, there has always been a demand for fast, rewritable storage. Faster than the old style of tapes, discs, and drums. No, not those kind of drums. There we go. Throughout the years, many a type of storage was created, but none were as crucial and as game-changing as the random access memory. Before semiconductors, early RAMs were made from relays, switches, and vacuum tubes. This paved the way for the models of early RAM. The first types of RAM developed was DRAM, or dynamic RAM, which was invented in 1968, and SRAM, or static RAM. Unfortunately, I couldn't find an invention date for this one. Now, static RAM was faster and required less power, but was more expensive to make. DRAM, however, was slower and cost more power, but it was really cheap to make. This is why almost every computer's main memory today more than likely uses DRAM. Now, with these two types of RAM in mind, there was also a subtype of RAM called SDRAM, or synchronous DRAM. This type of RAM ran at the same synchronized pace as the system bus of the motherboard, which increased efficiency and granted better access rates. This type of RAM proved so efficient that it became a golden standard for our computers of the modern age. Now for the main bit, why we need RAM. To tell you the truth, it's quite simple. Nothing would load. A computer cannot function properly without some form of RAM. Post wouldn't pass like a lava golem to Gandalf the Grey. It wouldn't boot properly, if at all. You would hear the computer beep and warn you there would be no RAM, then most likely shut down. The reason why this is, well, a computer has 3 tiers of memory it uses. The first tier is a CPU cache. The second tier is the main RAM, and the third tier is the disk drive. Now picture this. The main function of the CPU is to work fast, kind of like Sonic the Hedgehog, while the disk drive is the slow, hard-working memory, kind of like, Dr. Robotnik. Now, without RAM to communicate between the two, no work would be done. Nothing would be loaded or work. RAM is the link between the two parts, and thus is the most crucial form to any computer. In today's day and age, random access memory is, mostly, cheap to buy, ranging from $20 to almost $80 depending on how much memory the card holds and what type it is. Today, random access memory is the key to any computer's function, be it its power, performance, or even its production. RAM is the one thing tying it all together. Thank you.